hard to tell, but this is where they graze what's called stockpiled grass. You can see all their poop everywhere. They were here yesterday, and it's pretty low. If you see, there's my hands on the ground, there's not much grass. But right here you can see suddenly the grass gets a lot thicker. It's called stockpile. So there's actually quite a bit of grass in here. Some is brown, summer grass. It's dead, some is green. And then we'll work through this. And then we'll move them on to the next stockpile, and when it's all gone, then they'll be on to bale grazing for the rest of the winter. You can see those patches are pretty nice. This is a lot of grass in here. And that'll be gone by the morning, and then they'll move on to the next. There's a really pretty moon tonight. Here they are, searching for their favorite. They're a little frisky, it's pretty chilly. And they have new grass, and they're happy about it.